Hi guys. Remember last year when the US presidential elections were being all upbeat and most news websites were sharing a new notification every 5 minutes? Quick question. Assuming that readers check their phone every half an hour, how do you think they would have reacted to a series of notifications on the exact same event from the same news website? Clear all notifications? That sounds about right. But when the notification tray is flooding with event updates, you'd only expect a user to simply swipe it off, right? Now, the problem with this is, along with compromising the user experience, it also impacts your clicks, which is exactly why we're launching this new feature that lets you simply replace all the previous updates with the one latest notification. Let me show you how that actually works. When the show latest toggle is off, your notifications get stacked up one after the other. But the moment you enable the toggle and add a campaign tag there, all the notifications sent with the same campaign tag get replaced by the latest notification. So, are you excited to show your latest notification? Log into your iZooto dashboards and try this out while running your next news marathon. And don't forget to let me know how it went. At iZooto, we'd really appreciate hearing back from you and building upon your experiences. Thanks for watching.